Today we will be reviewing the removal and installation process for the HP M604, M605, and M606 fuser and maintenance kit, and we'll be using the M605 as our demo machine. And we will that part number is F2G76-67901 and the F2G76A. And I'll post in the blog post or video notes below the kit contents, number of pieces that are that comes with the maintenance kit. And we will start by making sure the printer is unplugged and off for at least 15 minutes, and we'll approach it from the front. Pull down remove the toner actually. Expose the transfer roller. Pull from the left side up, and then remove it from the right, and reverse the procedure to reinstall. Moving on to the pickup roller. Just pinch the tab and pull straight back. Reverse it to reinstall. Make sure when you're installing the pickup roller you push it until you hear or feel a slight click, and then pull back to make sure it is installed. Moving on to the pickup rollers below here. Same procedure to remove. Pinch the tab, pull straight back, and reverse the process to reinstall. Spin the printer around, pull down the rear access door, and remove it. Now to remove the fuser, just on the left and the right, pull up on the blue tabs and pull straight back, and reverse it to reinstall. Make sure here, click on both sides to make sure it is secure. Reinstall the door, and the process is complete. A couple of repair notes on this. There are page count reset instructions. I will include those in the comment area below of the video or blog post. The OEM recommended page yield on this is 225,000 pages, and Metrofuser has these kits and fusers in a number of different options. And if you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe, and we will be sure to make more. Thanks for watching.